Irvin, a deadly shooting turns into a wild morning in one community.
Gunfire erupts at a Wells Fargo. This was at 7th Street in Glendale after two men tried to rob an armored vehicle, triggering neighborhood lockdowns and the search for a robber. ABC 15's Lauren Vargas has been on the scene all day talking to witnesses. And Lauren, police still haven't got this guy.
Yeah, that's right. They say armored guards were actually in the process of putting money into that ATM when they were approached by two armed men demanding cash. One of those guards did shoot a suspect, but a second one took off down the street and hasn't been seen since.
3 pops, boom, boom, boom.
That was the sound of an armored guard firing as two men tried to overpower their truck and rob this ATM.
I saw the guy on the floor. Cops around him.
One man down, but a second still on the loose.
I stuck my head out the door right here just to see what was going on, and at that exact moment, a police officer just almost collided with me.
Matt Shaner says his surveillance cameras caught this image of the man running with his weapon.
Canine units and putting on their SWAT gear.
This guy's running with an AK-47. It's like, you don't see that every day.
Eric Campbell was taking a shortcut home when he came face to face with the gunman.
He was only like 10 feet away from me.
And that's when the suspect dropped the assault rifle and took off.
He kind of came at me like he needed to ride out of here or something. He was frantic. And then he turned the corner, ran up to this car, tried the car doors. Couldn't get in, so he threw his gun down and went down this alleyway.
Police immediately placed surrounding neighborhoods on lockdown. The armored guard who fired the deadly shot was questioned by investigators, while the second guard, as policy demands, stayed with the truck. And that armored guard is actually still in the truck as we speak. He hasn't left since this happened over 7 hours ago.
Yeah, hours later. Incredible. Lauren, thank you. Keep us updated on this.